Hello and welcome, kids. Are you ready for a super fun maths quiz? How fast can you add and solve a maths quiz? Only the smartest will answer each one correctly. But before we move any further, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's start. What's the answer? That's right, 3. Next one. The answer is 4. Another one. That's right, 5. Keep it going. Correct, 4. What'd you guess? That's right, 6. Another one. Correct, 7. What's the answer? Right, 10. What'd you guess? Correct, 13. You got this! It's 11. What's the answer? Right, it's 17. Another one. $14. Keep it going. Yes, it's 15. Next one. $15 again. You got this! Correct, 18. Try this one. Correct, 4. Keep it going. Correct, 7. Try this next one. Answer is 6. What's the answer? Answer is 6. You got this! Correct, 13. This one is difficult. $19 it is. How many did you got right? Tell us in the comment below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.